The full moon in February 2025, known as the hungry moon, will peak at its brightest on February 12th at 13:53 Universal Time Coordinated. This moon isn't just a beautiful sight, it carries deep historical and cultural significance. Why is it called the hungry moon? What makes it so special this year? Let's explore its fascinating story. For many Native American tribes, February's full moon was a time of hardship. Winters were long, hunting was tough, and food supplies were running low. This is why it was called the hungry moon. It symbolized the struggle to survive late winter's harshest days. In Europe, this moon was similarly named the hunger moon or famine moon, reflecting the scarcity of resources during this time of year. It was also called the ice moon or storm moon, inspired by February's freezing weather and powerful storms. Today, the hungry moon reminds us of resilience and the connection between human survival and nature's cycles. It's a symbol of perseverance through life's challenges. From an astronomical perspective, the full moon occurs when the moon is directly opposite the sun, making it shine brightly in the night sky. It's the only phase when the moon is visible all night long, rising at sunset and setting at sunrise. February's full moon is also called the snow moon because it happens during the time of heavy snowfall in the northern hemisphere. In 2025, the moon will stay up for over 12 hours in the northern hemisphere, giving us plenty of time to enjoy its glow. Meanwhile, in the southern hemisphere, the moon will be visible for less than 12 hours since February is summertime there. The difference shows how our planet's tilt affects the moon's visibility. February 12th is the best night to observe the hungry moon in 2025. It will appear full and bright for a few days before and after this date, so don't worry if you miss the exact time of 13:53 Universal Time Coordinated. Look for the moonrise near sunset. It's one of the most stunning moments to capture. This February, you can also spot Venus, Saturn, and Mars close to the moon. Venus will shine as a bright, while Saturn and Mars will appear fainter, but still visible. Fun fact, February is the only month that can sometimes have no full moon at all because of its short length. Thankfully, this year, we get to enjoy the hungry moon in all its glory. The hungry moon goes by many names, each reflecting the season and environment. The bare moon, for instance, marks the time when bears begin stirring from hibernation, a sign that spring is approaching. The storm moon captures February's frequent winter storms, while the ice moon symbolizes frozen landscapes. These names connect us to the natural world and remind us how closely tied our ancestors were to the rhythms of the earth. Across cultures, the February full moon serves as a reminder of survival, hope, and the promise of warmer days ahead. February's hungry moon isn't just a celestial event, it's a story of resilience, survival, and connection to nature's cycles. As you look up at the moon this February 12th, take a moment to reflect on its rich history and meaning. Whether you're gazing at the snowy landscapes of the northern hemisphere or enjoying a summer night in the south, this full moon is a beautiful reminder of our shared world. Take some time to enjoy the magic of the hungry moon.